In this video, I will show you how to turn on and activate Windows Defender on your Windows 10. Just you need to watch and follow this video till the end. First, you have to click on Window on your keyboard and open your settings. So once you open your settings, click on Update and Security. And when you do that, you have to go to Windows and Security. And after this, you click on Virus and Threat Protection. And you will see here this page. You have to scroll it little down and you go to Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click on Manage Settings. So you will find here Real-Time Protection. Click on Turn On and click Yes. Go to Cloud Delivered Protection. Click Turn On. Go to Automatic Simple Submission. Click Turn On. And Tamper Protection as the last one. Click Turn On, and that's all. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.